I got this filament in. It's still sealed. Let's check it out. I think this is a purple filament because it's the only thing coming in the mail right now. Of course, I take it out. Check. Nothing else is in the box. Does it have a regular seal? No, it's not a reusable one. So, bag is getting chucked. Now, this is an unboxing. I'm not going to print with it for a little bit. And if you wonder, I do reuse these boxes. I actually have a few in the back there, but they're already flattened. And if you wonder, this is the color. I'll put the link below if this is a regular video, like a wide video. If it's a short, you'll have to go to the link. That video comes out before this one. Because of that, the main reason. Otherwise, this looks like a really great filament. And if you want, I did pay for it at full price. Filament prices have been going down. And always put your knives away. You don't want to hurt yourself. Also, like and subscribe and comment for more because the 3D Print channel loves you to like. It really helps this channel out. So I can keep doing this. Bye.